Hello everyone, friends! You are on the Franklin Trade channel. If you are just starting your journey in the world of binary options, then this video is specifically for you. Today, I will explain in detail how to start trading binary options from scratch. I will explain what steps are important to take in order to confidently enter this market, minimize risks, and build your successful strategy that will bring you a lot of profit. Well, let's start by opening a few positions. I already see a good entry point for the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar, which looks promising. I just opened the chart and the price has already risen quite well here, so we will definitely try to work with it a little bit counter trend. We're waiting a little for an upward correction, but I see that it's not happening, so I'm opening a position as it is, that is, at market. On the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, we see an excellent impulse rise, which should already be bouncing off the 50% correction level according to Fibonacci. We also have levels below that would be interesting to work with, but that will probably be for another time. In this case, we are working on a position for a decline. And, of course, we have an upward trend. It is quite possible that right after this, we will open a position for an increase and continue our local trend. But let's still talk about binary options. The first thing you need to understand about binary options is that they are a financial instrument that allows you to make predictions on the price movement of an asset either up or down. The essence of binary options is that you choose an asset, whether it is a currency pair, commodity, stock, or index, and predict whether its price will rise or fall within a certain period of time. If the prediction is correct, you receive a fixed profit. If not, you lose the invested funds. At the same time, the risk is limited to the amount of your investment, and the potential profit is known well in advance. That is why binary options are most often chosen by beginner traders, and not only. I definitely prefer the format of binary options over other markets, and here I can really earn good cash. And if you want to earn really good cash, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also remember my Telegram channel where we trade and make money. I have a private group where I publish my signals, and many of the participants have already made good profits. Join in as well. One of the key components of successful binary options trading is undoubtedly market analysis. Here, two main methods of analysis come to your aid. These methods are extremely important: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is the study of news, economic reports, and political events that can affect the price of an asset. For example, news about interest rate hikes can lead to an increase in the national currency, while data showing a decrease in unemployment can positively impact the stock market. Technical analysis, on the other hand, is based on the analysis of charts and past price movements. This includes tools such as indicators, patterns, and support and resistance levels, for example, the RSI indicator, which is my favorite. Well, it is certainly worth discussing technical analysis in more detail going forward. This is the most important tool in the arsenal of a binary options trader. Indicators such as MACD, RSI, or Bollinger Bands help identify trends, reversals, and increase market volatility. For example, MACD allows you to assess the rate of price change, while Bollinger Bands help determine when the price has deviated too far from the average, which may indicate an upcoming correction. But it is important to remember that indicators are only part of the picture. They should be used in conjunction with other tools, such as support and resistance levels, which show key points on the chart where the price may reverse or pause. And when we have already figured out a bit about technical analysis, it is always important to remember the psychology of the market. As a beginner trader, you need to realize that emotions can play a very cruel joke on you. The fear of missing out, greed, and the desire to recover after a losing trade are all factors that can influence your decisions. One of the important key points in trading is discipline. You must strictly follow your plan and not give in to emotions. If you notice that you are starting to act impulsively, stop, take a break, and review your goals and strategies. The psychological aspect is just as important as technical analysis. After all, even the most successful strategy will not yield results if the trader cannot control their emotions. Now it is time to talk about risks. Risk management is the cornerstone of successful trading. Even the most experienced traders cannot predict every market movement. Therefore, it is important to always remember the risks and not to bet on one position more than you are willing to lose. I recommend not to risk more than 1, maybe 5% of BARSH, your deposit in each position. This will allow you to stay in the game even after several unsuccessful trades and avoid significant losses. Additionally, it is worth using various tools for capital protection. If you are using Forex, then it is the stop loss or limit orders that help automatically close a trade when a certain level of loss is reached. But in binary options, you work with a fixed stake. As for strategies, there are indeed a huge number of them. One of the most common approaches is trend trading, where you open trades in the direction of the main price movement. I mainly use this strategy because it is definitely the best one available in the market, and the chance of losing the deposit here is very much lower. If the price rises, you buy binary options for an increase. If the price falls, you buy for a decrease. But there are also more complex strategies, such as trading bounces off support and resistance levels, or using signal indicators to enter the market. It is important to test your strategies to ensure their effectiveness before you start earning for real. I would also like to remind you about the economic calendar. It is a very important tool that is worth using. Key news, such as the release of inflation data, changes in interest rates, GDP, or unemployment rates, can significantly impact the market. I always highly recommend checking the economic calendar before the start of the trading day to stay informed about important events. This will help avoid unexpected market fluctuations and allow for more accurate planning of your positions. And finally, the practical part: how to start trading. After you have registered a broker, joined my team, or decided to trade on your own, I always recommend starting with the smallest amounts. $100, $200, $300 or $400 is a good starting deposit to begin with. This will allow you to minimize risks and slowly gain experience. Don't rush to invest large amounts in the beginning. Instead, focus on honing your skills, learning to analyze the market, and managing risks. Gradually, as you gain experience, you will be able to increase the volume of your trades and implement more complex strategies that will be more accurate or easier for you. So, friends, trading binary options is not just a way to earn money. It is a process of continuous learning. Every day you will encounter new situations, analyze your mistakes, and improve your strategies. Keeping a trading journal will help you track your successes and failures. This is very important for long-term success. I recommend recording all your trades, including the time, asset, direction, and outcome, such as. This will help you see your strengths and weaknesses, as well as identify patterns in trading. In making this video, I want to say that success in trading binary options depends solely on your discipline, ability to analyze the market, and control over your emotions. Only then will you be able to achieve consistently stable results and gradually increase your capital and growth. And our position closes in profit. At the very end, we decided to take a little on the rebound for 1 minute. The situation worked out quite well, but the price on the chart has already risen too much, and a correction has begun on many assets. Therefore, we will pause trading and continue in the next video. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the videos. YouTube really loves that, and I love it too. And don't forget about my Telegram channel where we trade and earn real cash. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.